If you want to make your images stand out in CapCut PC, one of the easiest effects you can add is a clean white outline around the subject. This is perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, product shots, or any design where you want the image to pop from the background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a white outline around an image in CapCut PC step by step, and I will also show you a free workflow if you don't want to use the Pro Auto Removal feature. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import the image you want to edit. You can do this by dragging the image directly into your media panel or into the timeline. Once it's in the timeline, click on the image so it's selected. This is important because all of the editing options we need will appear in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen only after the image is selected. Now let's create the cutout that the outline will follow. In the top right Properties panel, go to Video, then look for Remove Background or Cutout depending on your version of CapCut. If you have the Pro version, you can simply check Auto Removal and let CapCut detect the subject automatically. This is the fastest method and usually works very well when your subject is clear and separated from the background. If you're using the free workflow, don't worry, you can still get a great result by using the custom removal brush instead. With the brush tool, mark the active area you want to keep and remove the unwanted background around it. Take your time here and zoom in if needed, because the cleaner your cutout is, the better the final outline will look. After the background removal process finishes, scroll down immediately in the same Properties panel until you find the Stroke section. This is the setting that creates the outline around your image. Check the box to activate Stroke, and once it's enabled, you'll see a few more options appear. Next, choose the Solid Line style. This gives you a crisp, clean outline rather than a fancy or decorative border, which is usually exactly what you want for an image outline effect. Now open the color palette drop-down and select white. The white outline works especially well because it makes the subject stand out on darker backgrounds, colorful designs, and thumbnail layouts. After that, use the size slider to adjust the thickness of the outline. A smaller size gives you a subtle edge, while a larger size creates a bolder, more eye-catching effect. I recommend moving the slider slowly until the outline looks balanced and clean around the entire subject. If the outline looks too thin, increase the size a little. If it starts to feel too heavy, bring it back down. The goal is to make the image pop without covering up important details. Once you're happy with the look, preview the result on your canvas. You should now see a clean white border around your image, giving it a professional and polished appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added a white outline around an image in CapCut PC. This simple effect can make a huge difference in your edits, especially if you're creating content for YouTube thumbnails, posters, or branded graphics. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.